How are you?
I'm good. You?
Yeah, right now I feel like an adopted Florentine, so I feel so good. And so this is the building where the apartment is, right?
This is the building and this is the tower. It's a medieval tower. We're gonna see the penthouse on the top of this building with 3 terraces. So
Wow.
I can't wait to show you.
Let's go. Let's go
Let's
see
go.
it. Yeah.
So Tommy, welcome in this unique apartment on Ponte Vecchio for rent. So this, Tommy, is a very unique apartment for its location and for its size. It's 450 square meters with 4 master bedrooms, 6 bathrooms in total, 3 terraces overlooking Florence 360 degrees, and a private spa.
And even though we are on the 6th floor, the apartment itself is divided into 2 floors plus the tower.
Exactly.
Let's have a tour.
Let's have a tour and
go.
let's start.
So Chiara, let's go upstairs.
Yeah, I will show you the suite with the other 2 terraces. We have an elevator that goes directly upstairs.
Let's go.
We are here in the top of the medieval tower.
Yeah.
This is the master bedroom, and as you see, they keep the original cotto as a flooring and also the ceiling. And look at the color of the walls.
Yeah.
It matched perfectly to the flooring,
Yeah.
to the cotto. And also what I really like is actually the furniture,
Yeah.
which are very clean, modern.
It cannot be bad. Come on. It matches perfectly with the style of the tower. Also, the TV by Bang & Olufsen creates the perfect mix.
We can say very elegant.
Well, whether it's from the terrace or any window, you always feel like surrounded by Florence in this apartment.
It's true. Look at the painting.
Yeah. One of a kind.
So try to imagine to switch back to the past. And look at Ponte Vecchio as the only one on the river, because actually it was the oldest one. So at the beginning, when they constructed, it was a very busy road.
Yeah.
And that's why they decided to build 4 towers. This one is the only one that we still have it.
Wow.
And as you see, we are on the top of Corridoio Vasariano,
Yeah.
which is actually from the Renaissance period and was commissioned to Vasari from Cosimo I. It was actually a safe passage from Palazzo Vecchio to Palazzo Pitti.
We are in the city center and also above the cities.
Yes, it's really unique,
Yeah.
really unique. Having this view, also can imagine to have a glass of wine here and enjoy this view.
You're right, the wine. This is the moment.
Yes.
Come with me. That is Palazzo Vecchio. We shot a video there in Piazza della Signoria, and in case you missed that video, don't worry, just click the tab above